Happy Easter, everybody! You are joining me, CookieSwirlC, and we are going to be cooking in the kitchen. We are going to be creating these adorable little bunny paw print sugar cookies. They're going to be totally edible, and they look so adorable. So if you're bored at home and you want to make some really cute looking cookies, this may be absolutely perfect for you. Let's get cooking. So I already have my oven preheated and going. So I need 1 stick of butter that I'm going to soften in the microwave. All right, now dump it into the mixing bowl. Now in a large bowl, we're gonna combine the cookie mix, softened butter, and 1 egg until a dough forms. All right, here we have our little chocolate bunny paw print melts and our mix. Now we're gonna mix it. Look at that cookie dough. Gonna get it unstuck here from the mixer. Now we're just gonna kind of gather it from the sides and ball it up. Now it's time to actually start shaping and forming the dough into these little bunny paw prints. So the largest paw print, I'm gonna be using 1 tablespoon, and it says that the cookie sheet will be able to fit 6 cookies per sheet. There's 1 little paw. It looks like a little scoop of vanilla bean ice cream. Now use a teaspoon for the toes. Actually, I think I'm just gonna round it out with my fingers just to make them a little bit more toe and paw shaped. So now I'm gonna press them together, and then just on the large one, I'm gonna slightly flatten this one out. Now I'm gonna pop all of these little bunny paw prints in the oven and give it about 10 to 12 minutes to bake. Oh no! What happened to them? No! The bunny paws have like flattened out too much. Oh no, I hope the butter wasn't too soft. Okay, let me get these out of the oven and we can take a closer look at them. Oh man, okay, I'm not really sure what happened. I don't know if the butter was too soft or if this is supposed to happen. All right, let's see, what does it say? So after I've baked them, so I pulled them out of the oven after the edges turned lightly golden brown. They have right there, got a little bit of some golden brown. So I'm gonna let them cool for 1 minute before removing from baking sheet. While cookies are still warm, create a small indent into each toe and center paw. Allow to completely cool before adding the melting wafers. All right, so it's been a minute, so now I'm just gonna go back in and I'm just gonna use my little tablespoon and just create the little indent into each toe and right on the paw. So lightly press. Oh, they're soft. These are nice and soft. This is where we're gonna put the little pink paw print. All right, they have their little indent. Now I have to let them cool completely. In the meantime, while those are cooking, now we're gonna actually start melting our little pink paw print wafers. So I'm gonna pour them in this microwavable dish and put them in the microwave. All right, so I melted it in the microwave. It's perfect now. Now I just have to spoon it into the little paws. Okay, I had to work quick. So here we go. Here are the little paw print cookies, the very first batch. They did flatten out, and definitely the little pink little paw print part, you can see the little dips there from the spoon whenever I iced it in there. So let's see how the second batch turns out after these. All right, I put the little cookie paws here on a plate, and I've got the leftover cookie dough, so now I'm gonna make a second batch, and hopefully these ones, I put them in the refrigerator that the butter had a chance to harden, and maybe they won't flatten out as much. Okay, here's the second batch of paws. Now I'm only gonna press very slightly in the middle, just a little bit, like it recommends doing, but I still wanna keep those toes nice and puffy. Okay, so into the oven they go. All right, here is the second batch, and they flattened out too. They definitely flattened out. All right, let's get them out. I already flattened them now, so now they're ready for the icing. Hopefully I have enough icing to do all of them. I'm definitely running low on icing. Definitely scraping the bottom now just to get any icing. All right, and then here is the second batch. Definitely the icing is really hard to kind of smooth it out, but you can see basically how the second batch turned out. Let me take one of these cookies. I need to let it cool. All right, here's the cookies from the first batch, so you can see just how they look compared to the second batch. So still very, very similar, but oh man, these are very, very tasty. But do they look like how they are pictured on the box? No, not exactly, but they still look really cute. They still look like little paws, and they're super delicious. All right, I hope you guys liked this cooking video. Thank you so much for cooking with me. I have another cooking video that I'm gonna be doing soon too, so make sure you're subscribed. You don't wanna miss it. Keep being awesome, keep being amazing, keep being you. See you in my next video. Hey you guys, look at how adorable! I put out an outdoor camera and I laid out some veggies from a vegetable stew so the animals can also nibble on the veggies, and these are the animals that came to visit me. I hope you guys enjoy this footage. Happy Easter, everyone! Cookie Swirl. See